Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm taking you through today's workout right here from this little humble basement. Today we have a core workout. It's going to include one dumbbell. Yes, so bring a dumbbell. Make it a heavy, challenging dumbbell. Don't make it too light. We're not going to be swinging the weights wildly. We're going to keep them under control. Make it heavy because there's going to be pretty low repetition work. We have 4 different exercises. We're going to go through them 4 or 5 times depending on how we feel. Feel free to do more, feel free to do less. Let's get started with the kneeling row. Kneel down on the ground, grab your dumbbell. I am using a 30, which is the heaviest dumbbell that I have. We're gonna go for 12 repetitions on one side, take a little tiny break, go for 12 repetitions on the other side. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, halfway there, 7, 8, 9, full extension, 10, let's go for a couple more, 1 and 2. Take a little breather, not too long, we'll take about 10 seconds, just enough to switch sides, find your balance, grab your dumbbell. You guys ready to go? And let's go for 12 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. It gets tough. Hey, this is one of those channels right here where your coach actually works out with you. No fluff here. Now we're going up and overs, 10 repetitions. Stand up your dumbbell if you can, and if you want to. And we're just gonna go up and over, there and back as 1 rep. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom, and that's 1. Up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, 5, keep it up, 6, 7, I struggle with this one, 8, 9, last 1, and 10. For me, I think the biggest struggle, to tell you the truth, is the lack of flexibility, not core strength sometimes. All right, now we're gonna go for some halos. Everybody knows what those are if you've been here before. But we're gonna put a little twist to them and we're gonna lunge forward, or at least take a step forward as we halo. So keep us a little bit off balance, so we gotta activate that core just a little bit more. You guys ready to go? 10 repetitions, so 5 per leg. Lunge forward, halo, and back. Forward, halo, and back. That's 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. Don't knock yourself in the head. And here's 10 as the weights get harder and harder. And there's 10. So that's 1 round. Actually, I have no idea how long it took. I wasn't really looking. Doesn't really matter. Workout's gonna be about 15 minutes long. Let's go for 4 rounds. How does that sound? Round number 1 done. Take another 20 seconds. We'll get back down on the ground and get moving. Guys, just reminding you, if you're new here, these workouts have been coming out for 6 years right now. We have not missed an upload. So if you want to be consistent with your working out, all you gotta do is come back every Monday and every Thursday, and you'll get a 10 to 25 minute workout done. Anyway, back on the ground. Round number 2. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 12 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more, and 4. Whew, feels good. All right, switch sides. And 12 on the other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. That is a tough one. That weight adds up real quick. All right, we're going for 10 up and overs. Find your spot. Take 3 more seconds, 2 more seconds, 1 more seconds, and let's go. 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Come on. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 6 back. We got 4 more. Ready? 1, 1. Come on. 2. Let's go, people. 2, 3, 3. Challenge yourselves. 4. Last one. And 4. All right. Stand up. Grab your weight. Don't drop it. And we'll go for 10 halos. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Forward. Halo. 1. Forward. Halo. Control the weight. 2. Control that balance. Forward. Halo. 3. Forward. 4. Forward. Come on. 5. It's getting tougher. You have to slow that halo down. 6. We got 4 more. 2 more. Last one. And a little knock in the head right there. That's okay. We're halfway done. I'm out of breath. Core's feeling good. This is the active type of core workout, especially as you get older, you should be doing. It'll improve your mobility, definitely improve your stability. And that's kind of what we're always looking for, right? And your strength. Who cares about pretty core? We want strong and effective core when picking things up, going up and down the stairs, getting up and out of bed, getting up the couch. It all includes your core. Carrying groceries into the house, especially if you live upstairs, downstairs, you gotta brace, you gotta know how to pick things up. These type of workouts get you there. All right, round number 3. Here we go, come on. Kneel down, grab that heavy dumbbell and work with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, full range of motion. 7, 8, 4 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, last one, and 4. Little breather. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, last one, and 4. Nice. Stand this sucker up. We're going up and over. Since we're already down on the ground, I figure why not make good use of the time, right? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 3 left. 1, come on. 2, last one, and 3. Getting a little tougher and tougher to get up. Like I said, coach is working out with you as always. All right, 10 lunges with halos. Ready? 3, 2, 1, forward. 1 down, beautiful. Feels good. 2, 3, 4. Halfway there. 4 more. Keep it up. 2 more. Last one. And we're done. All right, 3 out of 4 done. 1 round left. Guys, give yourselves a hand. This is coming down to the finish line. Let's make the last set the best set, right? So more control, more determination, better technique. Let's get this one done on the last set. Even though we're tired, we never give those up. You guys ready to go? And let's go. 12, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, control the weight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 more, ready? Last 3 on this side. 1, 2, and 3. Weight down. Catch your breath. That's enough. Switch sides. And let's go. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Halfway there. Let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1 and 2. Times are wasted. Up and over. So let's get this done. 3, 2, 1, and over. 1. Come on. 2, 3, over. 4. Beautiful. Halfway. Keep it up. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. All right, guys. Last set. Heavy weights. Do not knock yourself in the head. I know we're all tired. Careful. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Forward. Halo. That's 1. I love it. Forward. Halo. 2. Forward. 3. Forward. Keep it under control. As soon as I say that, I generally lose my balance. 5. 6. 4 more. 7. 2 more. Ready? 1. And back. And 2. Now you can put your dumbbell down. Guys, girls, thank you for joining me today for that 50. My name is Paul. Workouts, like I say, every Monday and every Thursday. I'm out of breath because I always say this coach is working out with you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me today. Monday, Thursday workouts for over 6 years right now. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.